Yesterday I broke quite a bit of rules, so I'm not gonna try to do that today. On top of that, as more and more people come and watch my videos, I gotta stop fooling around and be more professional on this. So I'm gonna try to make sure I keep my rules, keep it as professional as I can. I'm not a professional trader by any means, but trying to make sure I set a good example. Yeah, apologize to everyone who was watching my recordings yesterday and noticed that I was saying I won't do it and I just do it anyway. That's breaking rules. I was chasing, I was revenge trading, I was making mistakes. Yeah, so not something I should be doing, but uh, we'll see how it goes, especially today. So I'm just looking at a couple of things right now. Right now, Mara is interesting. Thinking of a short at 31.42-ish. So if you look down here, there is a little hard to see. So right here. So resistance right here. So 31.42. So you can see there's two resistance points, and during pre-market right now it just did touch it and it's hovering below. If it breaks, I'll do a long and then exit around 35.2, and that will also be my short level. Looks like I can't short since it's a HTB at the top, so guess no short, just exit from there on the resistance. Tlry, right now it is above 7.5, so I'm gonna watch for a bounce. Probably go down, might be down closer around 7.7, and look for an entry from there, and then I'll do a scale out on the 8.3. Depends on how the movement is. The reason for that is the resistance above all that is right here. So after that, the higher one is around like 9.8, but that's overextended. So we'll see what happens there. AMC is a little tricky today on watch still. Oops. The reason is because this candle is showing buying pressure. And if you look at 5-minute chart, it is in channel. So we'll see what happens there. So my support level is going to be a bounce level right here from 19.2-ish. And this is also coming from here too. So we'll see if if it goes down here. I'll try to get an entry. Resistance, pretty much simple right here, 1, 2. And then if you look over here, it actually touches from all the way back here in February. So that's a strong resistance level. So be on watch for that. Looks like it might be a short, but I can't short it because it's hard to borrow on TD. A TD Ameritrade, you can't short when it's hard to borrow. So we'll see what happens there. This is the stochastics. Snap had an interesting level right here. So you can see this candle has buying pressure. And this is a reverse right here, reverse pattern. So it might go up if it breaks 37.18. I am looking for long or buying, and then resistance around like 40, I would say 41 for an exit or to short. Aapl is another one I'm looking at. Aapl is overextended. I'm actually looking to short. So you can see it came down 174-ish down here. If it bounces at 170, so this is a support level, and the reason for that is this is not really touching, but it's right above it. You can see that it's touching this candle right here, the body of the candle, and you can see it's right above this. So this is overextended, looking for a short. If it doesn't short, I will enter around 170, and this is not really a reverse candle, especially since it's uptrend. The wick is too small, in my opinion, but it's also news on Aapl, so that's why it's going up. Uber, unfortunately, was a big loss. Well, 17 bucks loss is not big, but in the eyes of risk management, it is pretty big since it's 3 times my max loss for the day. Max loss for the day it was $5. So this one looks interesting. It might be a short, easily to borrow, so I can short it. So just gonna keep an eye. If it fails to hold this level right here, so this is 34.56. If it fails to hold, I am looking to short, and probably exit right around here because this is a support level. All right, so we'll see what happens there. Sorry, looking work email real quick. Okay, so okay, ooh, Mara. Let's see, Mara. So let's go back to 1 minute. Looking, that was a missed entry, but that was also late. Let's see what happens here. Might get rejection right here. Let's see what happens. Probably wait on entry for this. Might flush at opening. I can see profit taking since it's so extended. So I'd say if there's a lot of people buying right here, as up here at resistance level, they're gonna take profit, and that's gonna cause the stock to go down, especially if there's short sellers on here. Who can, obviously I can't short because it's hard to borrow, but there's other platforms out there that will allow you to short still. So we'll see. Yep, there's the reject. So I'm listening to the podcast too. Looks like futures coming down, so things are coming down, indices are coming down. Mm. Yep. So if I could, I would short, probably enter a short here, but I'm not. SPY is coming down. So let's see. Yeah, SPY is coming down. Q is coming down. Let's see. Let's see futures. Futures small, a little small. Looks like it might be a sideways days. It's Friday too, low volume. So gotta be careful. BTC, Bitcoin. Yeah, looks like what I had was a strong resistance at 40 before, but now became a support level. So a little hard, probably a little hard to see right here. But I drew this line like months ago, and now since they keep, so you can see it's like it breaks and then comes back down, breaks, come back down, and then right here it breaks, but then now it's holding and using, and so that's support now. So we'll see what happens with that. It'll affect Mara. I might not have this on the watch list. So on the side, I actually have multiple charts up on screen. That includes futures, include indices, but I'm limited to how much I can see on one screen. So we'll just watch Mara and see how it moves. So it came right here, still reject. I'm gonna wait and see for strength. Because right here, this tells you there's a lot of sellers right here getting ready to go out with the big wick and the candle down here. Especially it's like a small uptrend. It's coming down. So it's still above this candle, so that means it's going to be a gap up still, but it might do a gap fill, so it means it's going to come back down and either bounce there or keep on selling. Alright. Just going to keep watch. Not seeing anything for entry. Will try and keep maintain 5 shares at a time, maximum 20, no more 30s, as like yesterday. I'll be more gotta be more patient today. Yesterday, to be honest, I just got up, came onto the computer, and was like, meh. Today, I did get up earlier, did my routine, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see. While that goes, I'm gonna check some news. Everything's going on the downside. What a bounce on Lucid. So Lucid went down here, pop up right up. That one's I'm not touching that. That one's still risky. A little too risky for me. It's near support, so that's good. It's above the buy, showing buying pressure. I think there's something's going on with this one, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'll probably watch it. I, yeah, these wicks are really concerning, so I'm not touching it. Look, see exactly. Look what happens. It's almost acting like it's a small float. It's like the Lucid became a small float. Look how far it's going. 20 cent. That's pretty bad for just 2 minutes. So let's see. Oh, Tlry. Mm, let's see what happens. I didn't go to the bounce level. Okay, I guess my bounce level is too wide. Let's see what happens. So right here, it's a double top. Meaning it's gonna come down. Not seeing anything. Everything is just snap. Let's see. It's struggling, so I can't really enter there. I don't see any entries. Mara? None of these fit my criteria. Maybe Aapl? No? Alright, so Facebook's coming up. AMC? This is not. No. Can't enter this. Maybe if it goes 21? This will be a chase, but yeah, it's too wiki. It's too choppy. I'm gonna wait. Just gonna wait. I don't care if anything runs, but I'm gonna wait for the 5 minutes to finish. Okay, so this one's showing a lot more strength. Alright, yep, there we go. Coming down. It might come back up. Let's see. It's within channel. Okay, it's showing strength, but it's just so whippy. Alright, this is showing strength. AMC is showing strength. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. I just want confirmation. Because this is a resistance level right here. You can see this line. It's touching here and here. Okay, it's breaking out. But I don't like the candle, how the candle looks. I'm gonna give it a risk. Too late. Okay, so got in 2032. So down here, but add. So 10 shares. Let's see how much I can get from that. Going for a few cents, so I'm not gonna worry too much. Did my platform froze? What happened? Okay, there you go. Ooh, scared me. Alright, no chasing. Get ready to exit. Not the flush. Oh, nice. I'm gonna start taking skilling out. Looks like some delay going on for me. It's not good. Let's see. Nice. Alright, wanna take some off? Alright, I need need to find the next level. It popped over, so there's no it's 23. It says 23, but I don't believe it. So the reason why I say 23 right there, okay, yeah, see that wick. Okay, so 23 is from all the way back here. I'm not sure if you can see it from this chart. Meme stock is running. All right, so 23 is from all the way in January. So yeah, there we go. It's start having trouble. Okay, go back to 5. Slowly scaling out, couple bucks, whatever. This is process over procedure, or process over profit. Gotta be safe. Okay, I don't like this. I'm gonna wait. It's overextended. Okay, I'm gonna do actually 2. Nope, 5. Out. This is coming back down. Oh, 3. Might be lucky. Nope, I'm out. Okay. And obviously if I have more shares, it will be a lot higher, but this is only 10 shares. Expected small amount. But process over procedures. So just a recap. Let's see if I can get this to show. There we go. So looking here, I entered right here. Waited for confirmation from this guy, and I was looking at the 5-minute chart, so it was like running up. Oh, might be an entry right here. Let's see. No, this is too weak. Looks too weak. Our stochastics is showing. I'm gonna give a small, only 5. Let's give it a small risk. This will be a scalp for exit at worst. Okay, I'm not gonna add in more. Just gonna watch and see what happens. Running, okay, that's fine. Let it run. It's having a hard time getting above. Okay, cool, cool. Let's look at L2. L2, there's a lot of buyers down here. Okay, there's some more actions going on. Okay, 90. It's getting rejected at 90, but it's coming back up. It's like bouncing back. Okay. It looks like AMC is going to be my winner today. I will start to scale out more. Let's see. Ignore this. This is, yeah, there's you can see like it's bouncing, could be higher if it sell $1 and such, but this is process of proceed. Okay, this is getting hard, getting rough. I am just taking it out, scalping it. Just give me that. Yeah, stop doing that. Okay, so I clicked 5, but it looks like it didn't go. Just scalp some of these out. So 2 shares left. Okay. Okay, so it ran up instead. Wow. Facebook Meta. It's going up. Alright, so I'm gonna scale up. 1 share left. That's fine. I got out at 21. So that was like 30 cents. Alright, gonna let this one run and go. In the meantime, I'll just do a recap for you guys. Right here, entered, waited for confirmation above this breakout level. So 23. Yeah, I was late on this one, but waited for this breakout to be above. And I was looking down here, so you can see it's breaking out on the 5-minute chart. so above here, and I took an entry right there. Scaled out as it goes on weakness. Could wait longer, but was not risking it. Especially AMC is known to flush pretty hard. So we'll see. We're going to ride this one share and see what happens. I will exit, actually, exit point right here. So the reason for exit is right here. I could do right here, but I'm not risking it. So, yeah, so the exit is right here, is what I'm eyeing at. So, yeah, scale out, and then exit here in case of the flush. Re-entered because it held above this level and rode it up. So this is a quick scalp. Some people think scalping is like a lot of shares and then just do like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. That's not the way I scalp. The way I scalp is I use the pattern. I could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes. What I do is I look for scalp potential that can turn into longs. So this is risky. I am not taking it. I'll just take my 420. Nice, 420. Take my 420 and run. All right, so Tlry is coming up. Tlry did get hit my bounce level. I will need to zoom. Okay. It's gonna be tricky. I'll take it. It's doing a breakout. Might get like a few up. So a lot of buyers, sellers coming in. All right, enter. A little late, but should be good. 10 shares. Gonna scale out. Take some small profits here and there. Wait. Okay, cool. Yeah, the little worry that it coming down. There is resistance right here, but I'm looking for a resistance right here. So I'm gonna take some out. So L2, it's bound. Yeah, it's having a little trouble. Alright, actually I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna exit. If it runs, it runs. I'm not risking it because looking at the L2, I was having a hard time getting above 25. Okay, now AMC is coming down, so that was a good exit. See, it's coming down. That was a good exit. Okay. So the only one I see is really Tlry, but it looks like it's coming down. Aapl still having a hard time coming up. It's choppy, very choppy. Alright, so QQQ and SPY is coming up. So something's going to happen soon. Okay, Mara is doing something. Mara wants to reverse. Uber. Oops. Yeah, Uber is holding this support level. Not entering because it looks like there's not a whole lot of volume for it to run. Mara, a little tricky. BTC is not running right now. It's kind of sideways. go back to Tlry. Yeah, so I missed that entry. I did scalp it up here. Reversing. This is weak though. So right here looks like it's undecisive. Geez, Uber. Okay, so Uber's running Lucid. Gonna do a scalp on, probably might do a scalp on Lucid. I don't know. I'm gonna take it. Okay. Oh nope. I was not paying attention, unfortunately, because the looks like it's still struggling. Might go. I will. I will exit down here. Hard stop. Out. Loser. One loser. That's fine. It's only $1. AMC bouncing. No. No. Two trades. I should. No. I should be done. Let's see. Maybe it's kind of hard to see right there. Hard to tell. Let's see what undecided size on daily. Is this choppy? Tomorrow's coming up. Tomorrow, no, too choppy. It looks like it's strength, but BTC is not moving. And Mara struggling on the 1 minute. Downside on using Higinashi. It might be reversed, so maybe this might be on the watch. This is gonna be on the watch. I will say I'm gonna sell. All right, that was where I want the limit. So right here, and then I'll add on. Okay, it hit thing. Let's wait and see. It is showing strength on the 5 minutes. Reversing. Looks like it's trying to reverse on Higinashi. It just bounced the bottom of the Bollinger Band. It's crossing stochastics right here. All right, AMC just ripping again. Yep, missed it. Oh well. Let's see what happens. Now it's showing more weakness. Okay, that's a double top right here. It's very undecisive. Let's see if we can reach 30.6. If it does, I will exit. Hard stop. Kind of hard to decide where to hard stop. Alright, BTC is running up actually. Gonna keep it wide, I guess. I remember having to keep it wide, but I don't want to go for max loss. Let's see. Let's see L2. Okay, good. And see ripping. Unfortunately, I didn't catch that. So Mara's showing a little bit more strength. Let's go look at 8. Yeah, I was looking at here, but I didn't want to trade because I already did it twice. I don't want to over trade too much, but since it's running. Good to watch. If it hits that 23 level, I mean that shows at least my technical skills, but it is what it is. Okay, come on, Mara. Let's go. Alright, BTC just made a huge pop, so Mara should follow soon. It's struggling right here though. Hold on. Showing some strength, but struggling. Come on. There we go. Come on, break it. Break, break. Yes, go. Alright, getting ready to exit. I don't care, it was like a few cents. Probably a VWAP. So this is VWAP right here. Gonna watch. Alright, it's running. It's actually showing more strength. That's good. Nice. It's having a hard time on VWAP. Let's watch it for a little bit. Get ready to exit. I might take a small cut. Spread's pretty wide. Okay, so came down a little bit. Okay. I'm out. Let's see. So total 71 cents in the day. Alright, I'm gonna see if there's one more. Ooh, Apple. Apple. 5. Okay, so right here will be my short. If it fails, I will short. Alright. Might. Okay, watching it. I'll exit right here. So cover. Okay, coming down. Nice, nice. I'm gonna cover another one. Just give it time. go. Keep going. Keep going. I'll take another one. All right, last one. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, that was a good exit on Mara. Mara just went Tank City. Okay, let's see. I will exit if it goes above 80 cents. Yep, up. Done. Alright, no more for today. I am up $1. Okay, quick recap. Aapl, I missed the short up here. That was one of my levels, so you can look right here. 174, 76 high, so what? I put like 80, 70, 174, 80, and didn't see this pattern. I was trading other things at the time, so I took the next level, which is right here. If it stayed above, I would not have entered with a short because it failed. I entered. Unfortunately, it is late on the entry because it just popped right down, and it's 5 shares. 5 shares has a late fill, but quick scalp from 73.98, like a few cents, 10 cents, 10, 20 cents, scalp with a scale out. So reason why I scaled out from here is because this is a support level from looking right here. Alright, so that, and then the other one, Mara. Mara unfortunately was a failure for me. I was not showing this trade, but I think I was like eyeing somewhere around here on strength. So 650-ish, yeah, 650. I saw this reversal and this buying pressure. Double top. I did say it was double top, but I overstayed and lost quite a bit from there. But it's still above my, or still below my max loss. So AMC, um, yeah, still not showing for some reason. I think I did a breakout from here, and then I did just right at the top, scale out, re-entered when I saw it bounce, exit from these guys, and wanted to re-enter, but that would have been over trading if I did. And this is my third day back, plus this is Friday. Try not to do too much. Let's see, what else did I traded? Did I trade Snap? Nope. Snap would have been a good short right here. Wasn't paying attention, but it was also kind of tricky and choppy to look at. Tlry, yep, I did Tlry. So Tlry was a quick scalp entry. Missed my entry from down here because I wanted the bounce at 7.56. It bounced at 10 cents more, about 7.68. And then I saw it late at 8. So I was the reason for my entry here was one, this act similar to a micro pullback. So micro pullbacks had this one small red candle on this green, but this is not the typical micro pullback I usually use. So I was looking at this level right here. This is a support level, so it broke out through the support level, so I just took the entry. And then yeah, right here, so I saw some weaknesses, so I took an exit, especially since there's a small resistance right here. The stronger resistance was the 8.3. I guess people who can exit there saw opportunity to exit, so they exit from there. So what else did I talk about? I think I talked about Aapl already. Uber, I didn't trade Uber. Yeah. Lucid, that was the other one. Lucid, unfortunately, was showing too much weakness. Right here, I did take an entry, exit. Could have gone up, but then the patterns weren't really too nice, or it's kind of hard to read. So probably if we go back to the video, rewind the video a bit, we can see probably what's going on. And I did look at not stochastic, but Haginashi. It did look like it's about to reverse, but it failed. Resistance right here. Well, support became the resistance, so we just failed. They cut my loss and end up today with $1.47 instead. Max loss in total was about like close to $4. So I think I'm done for today. Shouldn't it's like I do see a lot of opportunities right now, but third day back, first week back after 2 months, plus it's a Friday, I think I'm good. $1, $1, $2, that's fine. All right. So let's do a real quick look at Qs before I call it a day. Qs coming down, still above high. It's just a pullback. SPY. Yep, let's pull back. Just also, might as well since I want to note. A lot of people were saying there's fear in the market. I did not see fear. I did see a pullback. So you can see this is on the yearly. So 2021 right here. Apologies for all these lines. These are my levels. And I'm going to keep them. So it might be a little hard to see. But this is the pullback candle. You notice how it's red, but then you see a big wick and smaller. It's smaller than this candle right here. So that's a pullback to me. And yeah, with that said, see y'all on Monday.